Hi guys, today in my video we are going to see how Proffisy premium toner cartridge shipped, and I'm going to use it with my Canon LBP 2900B. So not sure what will be the quality. I go with a easy refill uh, product. So with that they have a provision of giving this uh, powder as well. So let's just try to open it, and you can see the quality of it. I think it's very premium. I have never ordered something like that before. So it cost me around 950 rupees. With the easy refill, it is costing around 850 rupees. But with this powder bottle, it cost you around 950 rupees. So I bought this one. So let's see what will be the quality of it. So after like cutting the tapes, this is what I got it inside, and I think it should be seal packed. So yeah, it's sealed one. So I will just open it and see the quality of it. So you can see it's properly sealed. So now this is the build product. It is like quite different because in my previous cartridge I didn't see anything here, and as I was telling you about regarding the easy refill functionality. So you can see it is a custom made one, so they are showing one port for this, for getting out the waste powder, and another one is here. So here you need to like refill from this bottle. So let's see after inserting it, and let me just show you the bottle again. So it's saying that I think it's not a original one because it seems like a sticker to me, but can't tell you because it should be already filled one. So I won't be using this. So maybe after 2000 printouts I will use that. So there is no MRP is mentioned on this, so not sure how much it will cost, but with this it cost me around 100 rupees because 850 is this, and with 100 is this, so 950 comes as a whole package. So I will try to insert it, and one thing you should notice that it will also come with one instruction manual. So what it is saying is this is choosing ISO 14000 something and installation process. So as you can see they're showing that how to do that, and I need to, I guess, remove the seal by using that handle and then put it inside a paper. So guys, I'm not able to understand what it is saying, so I need to watch some video. So now what they are saying that I need to like take this out from here. That is something I have done with my previous cartridge as well. So do not force that much or it will going to like break inside it. So now I guess it's done. And another thing which it shows is a seal. So without it I don't think it will get inside the printer. So I need to take it out, and I need to do this from this end as well. So you don't need to like apply lots of pressure on it. It will just come out easily. So this is the drum, and I think we are good to go, but that is something which it shows that you need to shake it in order to leveling up for like 5 to 6 times, so that it will like balance the powder evenly on both the sides. So let's just go to the printer and see how we can insert it. This is my printer LBP 2900B. So you need to like open this like that, and this is the old toner. So let's just try to compare this with this. So definitely it's heavier than this, because all the powder is gone from here. So this is like kind of different. I think I need to show it in a same direction. And left one is the toner which I have just ordered. So it almost looks the same from here, but only difference is they have easy refill port. It doesn't have it. So I'll just put it aside and try to insert this one. Let me just remove some stickers. So I think we need to like take as a reference QR code as a reference, and then try to insert it in a same manner. So it's getting inside real fine. Okay, it's got inserted. So I will just open it and show you how the print quality is. So guys, I have turned on this printer and I'm using it with my Netgear router. So and this is the utility which I'm using, Netgear USB control center, and it is showing available, so we are good to go. So I will just find my file which I need to print, and we can see whether it is of any like use or not. So guys, I'm ready, and I'm using this Century green A4 sheets to print this. I just want to show you for the reference. So I have like did a command, and let me just print the other side. So look at the quality. It's more than like I was not expecting that good. It seems very bold and everything looks really nice. So this is the health report. So now you can get the idea like what is the quality of it, and it's ready to use thing. So I hope it gives you some idea about this particular cartridge. It seems like a little bit costly because there are some other vendors which are providing it for like 560 or 600 rupees, but when you see the review thing, they are showing like some got died after 700 printouts, so they are not even able to do 1000 printouts. So with this cartridge they are giving so many positive reviews. So I will be using that, and you can ask me in a comment section that how this is going on. So I guess that's all for this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.